for coming up with another beautiful story for Kaloy and I to do again. We really hope na magustuhan niyo siya, and if you do, reviews are really much appreciated. So, enjoy guys! We'll chat later after the film. Ang taas no? Diba, G, pwede na? Pwede na singer. Saan mo ngayon? Pinagmatalo si Jack. Si Direk, mga hindi magpapalo. Direk, try mo. Ay, mas mataas.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa pagdala dito sa aming red carpet premiere na. All be close. Namin, of course, expensive game. So, it's an honor and pleasure na makatrabaho sila ulit. And sana makatrabaho sila ng paulit-ulit.
Ng maraming beses.
Ayun.
Ang sweet naman ng team na to. Grabe. Sulat ka na daw, Direk. O ngayon, bago magsulat si Direk, baka biglang mapasulat siya ngayon. Mag-picture muna tayo. Kayo muna ang 5. Ayan, all together. Smile. Everybody, thank you so much. Of course, everybody to have a selfie before the film and after the film. Or you can take a video as well. Please do share it on TikTok.
Diba niyo yung pagmamahal, especially this Christmas. And thank you, Derek, JBL, thank you, Dark Green. Kasi wala niyo maging camera operator para sa film na to. So, yeah, thank you so much.
Well, thanks guys. Congratulations, Derek. Emotional na naman si Derek. That's our team, our whole team behind. Our only team.
Ayan, pagkakala natin si Aika, ang ating assistant director. Si Lars, ang ating production designer with DJ. Si Ivion. Si Jen, ang ating script con, at saka yung nagpapatulong na nag-bedding na siya. Ayun. Sino ba? Ayun, si Miss Charil na sir. Ayun, ang ating associate producer. Asan si Miss Erika? Ayun. Saka si si Sir.
Tatayo na sana.
Ayun po,
Ayun lang. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed that.
thank you! Merry Christmas!